Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to learn how to play Afterglow by Sheeran. For the basic of this song, you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the 4th fret of your guitar. Let's jump to the lesson. Let's start with the strumming pattern. And this strumming pattern will be used entire the song. So let's learn this first. So the strumming pattern is really easy. There are just 8 down strums followed by a quick up strum. So down, 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 up. Again, down, 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 up. Here we add specific accents. Which give this song more dynamic and make it sound really good. So you're going to accent the 1st, 4th, and 7th strum. So that will sound like this. Down, 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 up. Now what is an accent? Accent means that you are just going to play that strum a little bit harder than the rest. For example, if I'm playing a G chord on the accent, I will strum more of the strings. And on the non-accented strums, I will just strum mostly the bass strings. So it will sound like this. Down, 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 up. A little bit faster. So now we'll learn the strumming pattern. Let's go to the verse part. In the verse we have G for 2 strumming pattern. Then C+2 for 2 strumming pattern. Now in the C+2, we're just dropping our middle finger down 1 string into the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then we have D+4 just for 1 strumming pattern. Now in the D+4, you're keeping your ring and pinky finger where they are and putting your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And now we have E minor 7 for 1 strumming pattern. Again, in the E minor 7, keep your ring and pinky finger where they are, and index and middle go on the 2nd fret of the 5th and 4th string. And then we go back to the C+2 for 2 strumming pattern. So the entire verse will sound like this. Next we get to the pre-chorus part. We're going to start with C+2 for 2 strumming pattern and G, then D+4 for 1 strumming pattern. Now that we are going to play through 4 times for the pre-chorus, and in total the pre-chorus will sound like this. And now finally you get to the chorus part, which is really simple because we already learned it. It is the same as the pre-chorus, but the only difference is we are going to play chorus for 2 times. So the chorus will sound like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you found out this lesson helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more lessons. See you later.